He knows. He knows you're holding out on him.
All right, you ready, buddy? What's your name?
Little fishies.
Ugh.
He's like, come on, hook me up. Oh, look at the bird.
Come at me, bro.
Look at the bird.
Do you talk? Oh.
He's pretty good at that. Yeah. Oh, look, he's got a friend over here.
They did warn me.
Want to give one to his friend over there?
Well, he's kind of...
Oh, his friend's got one. Yeah. The little fishes. How you doing, tough guy? Here you go. Let's put that one on. Nice job, bud. Look at you go. We don't have any more. And now your wife would cancel. Oh, poor little guy. Oh, man. He's gonna guilt trip us.